Melbourne. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near-shore and open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 8 nautical miles southwest of North Cape, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Reno Beach. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Wood County in northwestern Ohio, northern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Deshler, Oregon, 12 miles north of Ottawa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.